Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Google Ads or Google AdWords. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you find your Google Ads customer ID? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your Google Ads customer ID anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you are using YouTube ads or Google ads, a lot of times when you're connecting the different Google platforms, they do require your Google Ads ID. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account and this is the home screen. Now immediately on the home screen of your Google Ads, if you want your Google Ads ID, it's going to appear up here on the top right next to your profile icon. It's going to be 10 digits right above your email. And as you can see, it appears as 3 digits and then a dash, another 3 digits, and then a dash, and then 4 digits. Now sometimes Google changes things around. So if you don't see it for some reason, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Okay, once you click on the profile icon, it's going to see a drop down and you're going to see Google Ads account. And then same thing right here, you're going to see those 10 digits. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Google Ads customer ID, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.